Taas ko lang ito. Nanay. Tinatamad ka ba kanina?
Magpaliwanag.
Ride out namin, umuulan bro. Wala na masyadong ulan. Pasak na kami ng Pakayhay, Laguna.
Situation. Discover all the things that make you wanna have fun. You can build your own castle in the seashore.
Pag-ibig nga naman ang usap-usapan sa paligid ko.
There is something wrong with you.
Taas pa. Last na ba ito?
Think what's going on with
Last na.
Pagod. Grabe.
Kain.
Tapos pag ako. Ba't natutulog ako ngayon?
Tantan nga po. Ano yung kaya Mac? Sopa sa akin. Bale, isa pa daw pong sopa.
Saka itlog.
Ilan pong itlog nyo? Ilan pong itlog nyo?
Dalawa sa akin.
Ilang palit lang niya.
Ilan ano? Bali anim ba?
Yung nakang...
Bini, nakakalusot na nakakalusot na.
Shit, nagagawa ko to, no? Ang galing.
Tatlo na? Tatlong stage na? Si Biniyam.
Finish. It's gonna be Biniam Kamay.
Parang yung symbol ko katawanan na yan.
May ulit record.
Pick up your phone and tell me where are we going. Yeah, I'm just one call away. We can do things that you want. I won't refuse if you're confused. We find clues if you're happy. We sing blues. There is nothing else to lose. Escape yourself from this global situation. Discover all the things.
Ganito pala kasi dito. Dito Laguna.
Hinga ako na hingal. May pumasok naman parang maliit na langaw sa dalawa.
Everything will be free.
Ay, potek. Ganun pala dun. Hindi ko alam, baba ako ay. Yawa.
You can tap my shoulder. We will fight this together. Yeah, my ears on
Nagkarlan.
what your heart to. There was something wrong with you.
Rizal na to.
Walang ahon dito.
Ha? Sabi mo tayak. Ahon yan na. Alam mo. Mukha nyo. Kasi tayo sa diet kaya oh.
It's always ready for you. Just say what your heart to.
Uy, taas mo na. Taas wala nito. What the? Mababa ako ah. Taas ba naman? What a nice. Taas na ito ah. Kaya ng taas man. Didn't expect this. Kala ko medyo ano lang eh. Wait, lugar na mapanganib sa pagguho. Wah, taas naman na rin. Ito na yung pinakamataas.
Hindi pa.
Hindi pa. Guys, kita niyo yan. Ahon. Ahon tayo. Pero si Kuya Mac wala pa. Ayun. Kita ko na si Kuya Mac. Nakatatlong tokod yata ako. Yung toos. Tulak. Mahihina. Maligir ko. Maligir ko kanina. Okay. Uy! Dulas. Dulas min. Hindi mo ba? Talaga kaya. Tanggal na ako ng helmet. Sobrang init eh. Tapos pag ako. Nagtutulak lang ako. 10 minutes. 10 minutes, 71.
The king of the Buron.
Stop register. Wala naman tao. Wala. Tanaw de Rizal. May kainan ba sa taas?
In the orbit, it's a footprint. All the memories can forget it. I regret it. Not telling you the truth, cause all the boys that courted you, they're all rejected. And there is the perfect fate. I'm ready to lose the game. Having my show on a day. And this is what I'm gonna play.
Ganito pala dapat.
Bitch, I'm feeling okay.
Gets ko na.
Taste the old and age for that to the flames. All I wanna is no drama. Cause I wanna keep you forever. Pangangutong takamiga. Can we be together, I got. Use my guitar to say, we just feeling okay. Remember we all those days, the old and age for that different flames. All I want is no drama.
Ayoko pa rin.
Cause I wanna keep you forever. Every time I started to speak, my lips spit the opposite.
Wala akong persa.
Pumunta ako doon sa may malapit na eh. 1 shot na lang. Babaw na. Try kong hindi tumukol yan. Try lang.
Ay, akala ko na. Yun oh. Layos. Dito tayo sa Tayak Hill. Bayan. Anong bayan yan, kuya? Ah, okay. San Pablo, Laguna.
There is something wrong with you. You can face me like a mirror and you tell me everything what's going on with me.
Tingnan natin yung history, patronage, mga cyclist, riders, bikers, and travelers. Medieval legend says that Count Gisalio was traveling near the village of Magregio when he was attacked by highway bandits. Spotting an image of the Virgin Mary in a roadside shrine, he broke away from his attackers and ran to it. There he took refuge, pleaded for Our Lady's protection, and was miraculously saved from the robbers. As the story spread, the Madonna del Gisalio became known as patroness of local travelers in more recent times. Cyclists would often stop to rest and pray at the chapel, which is a local landmark and is at the top of a steep hill. After the World War II, Father Ermelindo Vigano, pastor at the shrine, proposed Gisalio as the site of an Italian shrine for cyclists. And she was given as patroness of cyclists on October 30, 1949 by Pope Pius XII. The chapel has become a part religious shrine, part cycling museum with artifacts and photos from the sort. There is an eternal flame that burns there in memory of cyclists who are no longer with us, and services each Christmas Eve and the Feast of All Souls commemorate them. Pray for us, Madonna del Gisalio, sa aming safe travel. So bawal palang pumunta dito pag di nakabike. Hindi, joke lang. Patron
pala,
Saint for the cyclists. So Madonna del Gisalio.
Gisalo.
O Gisayo. O Gisayo.
Gisayo.
Madonna del Gisayo. Marami namang mata na yun sa Sokmed. Bash nyo na lang kami pag mali. Okay, let's go. Di na kami bibidyo pababa kasi delikado. Let's go.